Hey there, so let's dive into the problem we have at hand. Our data frame contains columns X and Y with some missing values, and we also have corresponding columns X_A and Y_A that can be used to fill in those gaps. The goal is to efficiently update X and Y by filling the nan values with data from X_A and Y_A, respectively. Now, let's explore the solution to the problem. One neat approach is to utilize an index to select all columns at once, and then employ the set_axis method to realign the data frame accordingly. By doing this, we can seamlessly fill in the missing values in X and Y using the data from X_A and Y_A, achieving the desired outcome flawlessly. Another aspect of the solution involves handling situations where the columns may vary. In such cases, we can utilize the intersection method along with reindex to ensure that the operation caters to the existing columns dynamically. This way, we can handle scenarios where the columns differ and still achieve the desired result effectively. To further streamline the process, we can implement a solution that solely relies on the suffix _a for pairing the columns. By identifying columns that have a corresponding _a counterpart, selecting, filling in the missing values, and updating the data frame become more automated and robust, making the entire process more efficient and adaptable to different scenarios. By following these methods, we successfully update our data frame as intended. The columns X and Y now have the missing values filled with the appropriate data from X_A and Y_A, presenting a clean and comprehensive dataset ready for further analysis or processing. In summary, we've explored various approaches to efficiently fill in missing values in data frame columns, using corresponding data from as suffixed columns. By leveraging innovative methods and thoughtful techniques, we've addressed the problem at hand with precision and effectiveness. So, until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Who knows, we might just have more data frame adventures coming your way soon.